It has been super wet and muddy these past few days, so all of these eggs in this first nesting box are quite muddy, but they don't look broken. There's nothing here in this corner. And from this angle I cannot tell if they laid any eggs in this nesting box, the second one here. I don't see any over there in that corner. I will go and check that last nesting box there. There are 2 blue eggs there. And it looks pretty clean in there. The first nesting box had a broken egg in it, but it wasn't too bad. So it was pretty easy. It was pretty easy to clean up. This little egg that I found in the corner looks like it could be a pullet egg. Makes me wonder if it's Zadie's. Here is Zadie's egg compared to Hawkeye's egg. Here's the second coop. No eggs, but there is signs of them coming in here. There's a little bit of dirt patches, I guess. Dirt clumps, mud. So they must have come in here and cleaned off their feet. But that's about it for this coop. They laid 13 eggs in 4 days.